report into 7.
Engine 7.
7, you have a report of a train derailment or wires down?
Yeah, this appears to be an incident on the train. The train is stopped on the tracks. We're investigating further. Bridgeport Rescue 5 is responding.
Rescue.
Bridgeport Rescue, do you have an exact location? Bridgeport Rescue 5.
Rescue. I'm putting out a box, Rescue.
Thank you, that's what I was going to ask.
Bridgeport Battalion 1 is responding to the scene at the State Commerce.
Okay, I'm putting in the box. We just had multiple calls, Battalion 1.
Alright, your message received. Is this reported to be an accident?
Engine 7, Battalion 1, Engine 7, you have to tell us. We're getting all kind of calls and it's all going in different ways.
Alright, your message received. We're responding.
Trains collide at this location. With a derailment, we have multiple injuries. Give us a full assignment over here, please. Engine 7's command. Bridgeport Engine 4, respond, Linwood and Laurel.
4.
Bridgeport Ladder
11.
11. Show us on scene at McDonald's at the overpass on Fairfield Avenue, the one that's under construction. We have a Metro North train, about 6 cars stopped on the tracks. We'll be out investigating.
7's on scene, Fairfield and Commerce Drive. I have a Metro North, 6 cars on the track, multiple injuries. Engine 7 to be command.
Ladder 11, Engine 7. Engine 7. Cap, what's your location and where do you need us? Yeah, we're at the end of Dewey, across the street from Dewey on State Street Extension. Come through the marble stone store. Come right through the building, onto the tracks. Cap, if you're working back there, I'll send a rescue company back to you. We got crash glass train. I'm going to work my way from the front of the train to the back of the train, checking for extended injuries. So the rescue's coming to you.
Signal 29, Signal 29. This is reported to be a train derailment. Fairfield Avenue and Commerce Drive, State Street Extension, map 71. Following companies respond with Battalion 1 and Engine 7. Engine 3, Engine 1, Ladder 11, Ladder 5, Rescue 5, and Safety Officer 1. This is reported to be a train derailment on the corner Fairfield Avenue, Commerce Drive, State Street Extension, map 71. Following companies respond with Battalion 1 and Engine 7, Engine 3, Engine 1, Ladder 11, Ladder 5, Rescue 5, and Safety Officer 1. All units responding to Fairfield Avenue and Commerce Drive. Channel 2 will be your Fireground.
Bridgeport Safety Officer 1. Engine 3 is responding.
Engine 3.
Safety Officer 1 to command. I need a gate cut, Fairfield Avenue and the 95 off-ramp. I got injuries. I got to get through the gate. Battalion 1 to Bridgeport.
Battalion 1.
I have a report that we had 2 trains that collided at this location. We have several people injured. We had several people evacuating the train at this time. You can now show Battalion 1 as command at Dewey and Commerce.
Battalion 1 report, have a report of 2 trains collided at this location. Numerous injuries. Battalion 1 is now command.
Safety officer to command. Safety. Chief, I'm going to need like a medical sector on Fairfield Avenue 95. I got numerous injured parties. I'm going to need the buses at this end. Take the location. You need the buses again.
Engine 12.
Fairfield Avenue and the 95 off-ramp. Fairfield Avenue, 95 off-ramp. 11 to command. Command. Tomorrow knows it's going to probably be a mass casualty event. Engine 7 to command. 7. Command, this is Engine 7. We have two trains that collided. One is a derailment. We do not have entrapment at this time, but we do have numerous injured parties. AMR has been notified.
All right, your message received. Command, Bridgeport.
Come in.
What is our assigned channel for this?
It's going to be Channel 2 Fireground for State and Commerce Drive.
I put that out to all companies. Channel 2 is Fireground. I repeat, Channel 2 Fireground. Command is now on Fireground Channel 2.
Units at State and Commerce Drive, Channel 2 is the Fireground. Channel 2 will be the Fireground.
1 to Bridgeport, we're on with the hydrant. Stillman and Fairfield.
Truck 10 to Bridgeport.
And go ahead.
We're in service. We'll be relocating to fire headquarters until this incident is put under control.
Ladder 10, message received. In service en route to fire headquarters.
Bridgeport, engine 12. Commander, Bridgeport.
Command. Come in, command.
Bridgeport, confirm with Metro North about shutdown power on the tracks.
Message received.
Commander, Bridgeport, can you give me an assignment of who's here?
Come in, command.
Give me a rundown of the companies on scene, please.
Message received. I have Battalion 1, I have Engine 1, Engine 3, Engine 7, Ladder 5, Ladder 11, Rescue 5, and its safety. Bridgeport to Battalion 1, command.
Command is on.
Did I hear you say the staging area is across from the wood floors on Commerce Drive?
That's affirmative. That's for command post to set up. Commerce Drive.
Received.
Commander, Bridgeport.
Command.
All right, could you check with Metro North and make sure that they have cut all power at this scene, please?
Checking right now, Chief.
All right, command on 2.
Bridgeport to Commerce Drive, command. Bridgeport to State Street, Commerce Drive, command.
Go ahead, Bridgeport.
From Metro North, there's reported to be a sergeant or lieutenant on the scene, and he's in the process of having things shut down now.
Message received in the process. We need to know exactly when everything's shut off. Thank you.
Bridgeport to Commerce Drive, command.
Commerce Drive, command, go ahead.
Bill just called. They need you to respond to the command post on Commerce Drive near Dewey.
Repeat that, Rita.
Bill just called. They want the battalion chief to come to the command vehicle at Commerce Drive.
Bridgeport, truck 10.
Truck 10.
Just be advised, we're acting ladder 5. We're staged at Stage Street. It's needed for manpower.
Truck 10, you're acting as ladder 5 at State Street.
We're staged on Stage Street. If we need us for manpower, let us know.
If I need you downtown, I have you downtown. I have nobody in the area. Ladder 11, ladder 5 is on the scene.
Received. We are in service.
All units per battalion 1 power has been cut.
Bridgeport, Deputy 2 is responding, Fairfield Avenue, Commerce Drive.
To respond in Fairfield Avenue, Commerce Drive.
Truck 10-2-4, fire headquarters.
10-2-4, fire headquarters.
Commerce, command to Bridgeport.
Go ahead, command.
Put it on channel 1 and channel 2 that we have overhead wire fires on the tracks. Have all companies stand clear of the tracks and trains.
All units, Commerce Drive, Fairfield Avenue. We have a fire on the overhead tracks. All units use caution. We have an overhead wire fire. All units use caution. And to stay off the tracks.
Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport. Commerce Street, Command. Notify AMR and their supervisors. We have a secondary triage area located at Commerce Street under the I-95 overpass. Many patients there need attending.
Second triage area on Commerce Drive under the I-95 overpass. Your message received. We'll notify AMR.
Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport.
Commerce Street, command.
You do have a deputy responding to this location?
Deputy 2 is en route. Also, car 1 is en route.
Message received. Best access is Commerce off of Fairfield. Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport.
Go ahead, Command.
An update. All patients without two have been removed from all the trains, are being triaged, and are transported. We still have 2 victims on the train.
Command report all victims, with the exception of 2, being triaged and transferred. Still have 2 patients on the train.
Bridgeport, Deputy 2 is at Fairfield Avenue and Commerce Drive.
2 Fairfield and Commerce Drive.
Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport. Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport.
Command.
Update. Metro North is on scene, working the fire issues along with the fire department here for the above fires.
Bridgeport Metro North on the scene, working the fire issues with Bridgeport Fire.
Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport.
Commerce Street, Command.
Command post set up still same location, working with Fairfield Fire Chief, PD, and Metro North are all at command post.
Can you update me on the command post location again, Lou?
On Commerce Street, approximately 2002 Commerce Street.
2002 Commerce Drive, and the next one is at the end of the ramp in Commerce Drive?
Negative, Bridgeport. There is 1 command post. The other one was a triage area. Commerce Street, Commander Bridgeport.
Commerce Street, Command, go ahead.
At this time, all victims have been removed from the train, put in the recall at this location. All companies will remain on scene for assistance.
I recall of alarm of fire, Commerce Drive. Recall of alarm of fire, Commerce Drive. Command report at this time, all patients have been removed from the train. All companies will be staying on the scene for assistance.